In this video, we'll be taking apart the Doogee T30 Pro. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and follow me on Twitter so you'll be notified once I upload a new video. And if you need any tools, there are links in the description. To start off, the SIM tray needs to be removed. Here's a better look at that. Next, we'll need to place a pry tool in between the back housing and the frame of the screen and run it along the edges to pop off the catches. The battery cable needs to be disconnected first, followed by the rest of the cables. The latch or lock on the screen cable connector needs to be lifted up in order to release the cable. Here's a better look at the screen. There's an adhesive pull pouch provided to help you pry the battery off. Here's a better look at the 8580 mAh battery. These black flex cables can be disconnected by lifting up the latch or the lock on the connectors, which will release the cables. As for the red and black wire cables, those need to be gently pulled out by wiggling them or moving them from side to side. There are also two coaxial cables on the main board, which need to be disconnected by popping them off. There are 4 Phillips screws holding down the main board. Once this shield on the main board has been removed, we can see a thermal pad which sits on top of the processor, as well as this one which sits on top of this chip. Here's a look at the other side of the board. There are 25 Phillips screws which need to be removed. Here's a better look at the bottom right speaker, and there's a mesh filter over the speaker opening. Here's the speaker assembly on the top, and both speakers have the mesh filters over the openings. And here's the other bottom speaker, which also has a mesh filter over the opening. This flex cable is for the power button and volume keys. Here's a better look at the 2 megapixel back camera, as well as the 20 megapixel primary camera and LED flash. Here's a look at the charger port board. This is the SIM card and memory card reader, as well as the vibrator motor. There is one more Phillips screw holding on the headphone jack. Here's a better look at that. The 8 megapixel front facing camera is located here, and on the same flex cable is the proximity sensor and notification LED. There are 2 microphones, one of which is located here, and the other one on this side. There are also 2 antenna flex cables on this side. And this flex cable is for the pins on the bottom, for the wireless keyboard attachment. For the repairability score on this tablet, I give it a 7.5 out of 10. Now it's time to reassemble the device. Once everything's back in place, power it on, and you're done. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.